Hi guys. Ano akong Tagalog? So, we're going to play in my mom's phone. Now let's go wait. Mom, can we borrow your phone? No, with the Roblox. Okay. Just wait guys. Ito yung phone ng nanay ko. O, tingnan mo. Ito yung phone. Nang-video ako. Look, oh.
Pinakita mo ko tumatae. Laser.
Wait lang, guys. Alam mo, guess what's the password? Ito, oh, wait. Yun, guys. So, guys. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ah! Wait lang. Oh man, we're innocent. Oh my god, may murderer. May murderer! May Sheffer! Uy, may Sheffer, may Sheffer. May Sheffer. May Sheffer! May Sheffer. May Sheffer, may Sheffer. Oh my god, oh my god. May Sheffer, may Sheffer. May Sheffer, may Sheffer. Dito tayo para safe tayo kasi innocent ako. Wait, nasa na tayo? Yun. Dito tayo. Dito tayo.
Yo. naman, aircon.
Yeah. Uy, 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 uy! Sayang, guys. Sayang.
I'm really glad we had this talk.
Sayang.
It's ridiculous. I know.
So that's the end of